You all able to hear me and see me well? Yes. Hello guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody can hear me and see me well. So if you are excited about this session on advanced level problem solving, then give me a thumbs up. Yes. Welcome Uncharted. So I hope all my ninjas are doing great and you're all ready for this amazing session on problem solving. Hi Rajyalakshmi, so nice to see you here. Venisha, Hariharan, Vanakkam man. Goodla, Vishnu, welcome. Great guys. So we will get started with this awesome session. We are going to discuss a lot of problems. But before that, there are a few concepts which I want to teach you. And then we will go there. Okay. Hi Dhanush, welcome man. Anisha, Jumana. Yes, Rajyalakshmi, I do speak a little bit of Telugu because I studied in IIT Madras, and in IIT Madras there are lots of Telugu people and many of my friends were from Andhra. Yes, Hitesh, I do remember you man. Great Hariharan, I am so glad that I could be that for you, and I will continue to help you guys definitely till you all write your JEE mains and get a very good rank. Yes, Kiran, now I can see your chat man. So nice to finally see you back, our ninja Kiran Kumar. No problem Sukda, welcome. Vishwajit, yes, I do remember you man. So a lot of Telugu people are here. Andaru Bagunara. So that is a little bit of my Telugu skill. I will showcase it once in a while, but now let's get started. Okay. Yes, Prija, lot of them. So many of the guys in my batch were from Kerala. So I had a lot of Malayali friends as well. So I will talk about in detail once on a casual talk. Okay, so let's get started guys. And to talk about my background and my introduction. So my name is Shimon Joseph and I'm a math master teacher here at Vedantu guys. In case you're here for the first time. And my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras. And then when I was like you guys, I also wrote many exams like KVPY, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced and so on. So I cleared the KVPY exam and in JEE Mains, I was one of the state toppers. And after I got into teaching, I've mentored some top 100 ranks also. All India rank 38, All India rank 41. So they were mentored by me personally and right now they are in IIT Delhi and I'm sure you guys are my next challenge. Now you all have to get those amazing ranks with our help and it is possible guys. Okay. Very good, very good. Yes Kiran, I know we have a session today. So today I have my modular course at Vedantu 6:30 p.m. So Kiran is a part of that class. If others are interested, check it out guys. Okay. I'm doing great, Saurav. Hi, Omkar. Omkar, I will come up with one-shot series. Okay, definitely. Hitesh says the brightness is high. It will automatically adjust, man. Venisha, the KVPY SX session has been rescheduled. I will let you know the timing because on that day I was not keeping well. So I shifted it to another day. So guys, this is the weekly schedule. Today we have straight lines lecture number 4, that is the advanced problem solving, and tonight we have the JEE Mains previous year's questions. So guys, are you all excited about it? Everybody, tonight we have the JEE Mains previous year's questions. So I'm sure it is going to be an awesome session because I'm going to do the best of JEE Mains. I'm going to pick only the best questions. Raghu, welcome. Raghu from Chennai, awesome. Circles once we are done with straight lines, man. And Anisha, the chapter I'm doing in Vedantu at 6:30 is differential equation. Okay. So let's get started. Yes, Chinmayi Prabha, absolutely, it is important and it will be useful for mains also. And Prija, I don't speak very well Malayalam, but a lot of my friends do. Okay, so this is the mentee sprint. So if you guys are interested in mentee quiz, if you enjoy those sessions in Vedantu's JEE Enthuse channel, then check it out, because tomorrow and the day after you will have one session with Wasim sir and one with your Shreyas sir. So please do make a note of it and attend these sessions. They will be useful. Okay. Hi Sonu, welcome back. Yes Dhanush, Arihant or Sengage, either one of them. Hi Shreya. Hi Jashwant, welcome man, welcome back. So guys, let's begin. If you're new to the channel, definitely give a subscribe and I'm sure you guys won't regret it. You will enjoy and you will have a fun time with all of us, because we are here to help you, not just to teach you, but to have a relationship with you guys. We want to be a part of your journey. Okay, so that is what I said in the first lecture and that is what I'm going to say now as well. So do give us a like, because that is very encouraging. For you it might be a simple like, but for us it's like a boost. So definitely do that guys and we will get started. Okay, so I left out a few topics yesterday, so I thought I'll discuss them first and then we will move forward to questions. Raga Kirtana, I hope it is better now. So as I move into content, the brightness will self-adjust. Don't you think now it is perfect? The brightness should be perfect now, isn't it? Great Kiran, I would love that man. Thank you Jashwant, that's awesome. Matthew, pair of straight lines, I will take it up through questions, because for JEE mains it is not a very important topic. It is only required for advance. Clear? Very good Raga Kirtana, that's awesome. So guys, now today's topic is going to be very interesting. What is the equation of parallel line? So when two lines are parallel, I'm sure everybody knows that the slopes are equal, isn't it? Exactly Dhanush. So Dhanush is saying if you guys are finding it too bright, reduce the brightness on your phone. Okay. Thank you Dhanush. So guys, if two lines are parallel, we know that their slopes are equal. So let us say you have a line ax plus by plus c. Okay. So this is a line given to us. Now I'm asking you guys, please find out any line parallel to this. So any line parallel to this will have the same slope ax plus by, but it can have a different constant term, because I want any line parallel to this. I just ensure that the slope part is the same, because where do you get slope from? Slope of the line, we all know that slope of this line is minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Everybody remembers that? Are you all clear with it? So this is the way you understand things. I hope now everybody can find out equation of parallel lines. So when a line is given, so let's say I'm giving you, let's say Anisha, I'm giving you 2x plus 3y equal to 5. And I'm asking you, Anisha, find any line parallel to this. What will you do? You will find 2x plus 3y equal to k. That's it. So this is going to be the line equation of any line parallel to this line. So if you want to find a unique line, you need to have some condition so that you can find out what is k. So once you find out k, your job is done. If you want to find a unique line, they will give you some condition by which you can ensure what is the value of k. And that is how you get the unique answer. Are you all clear with it? Very good Kirito. Kirito, what you are saying is parallel lines, but parallel lines can be coincident also. Okay. So this k can be equal to c also. So it is not necessary to say that it won't be equal to c1 by c2. Understood? Welcome Harini. So nice to have you here. Very good afternoon. So guys, if everybody is clear, then let me move forward to the next topic, which is equation of perpendicular lines. And I told you, when two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slopes is going to be what? it's going to be minus 1. Do you all remember that? Hi Navami Lakshmi, welcome. I hope you guys are able to recollect that. Ninja guy is absolutely right. Superb, you guys are super smart. That is brilliant. So we know that when we have two perpendicular lines, the product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. So now we are given this line equation. We are given this line equation and they're asking you, find out the line perpendicular to this one. So first of all, what is the slope of this line? The slope of this line is minus a by b. Do you guys understand that? Because it is minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Exactly Kiran. Exactly Hitesh. You guys are right. So m1 is minus a by b. So I need to find m2. And that is equal to minus 1. So m2 is equal to what? m2 is equal to b by a. Do you guys understand that? m2 is equal to b by a. So can I say your m2 will be the slope of line 2 and the equation of line 2 will be bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. Don't you guys agree with me on that? Because now the slope of this line will be b by a. Can you guys check that? So this is how you find the equation of a line perpendicular to a given line. Go through it. Very good, Rajalakshmi. That is awesome. I hope you guys are all clear with it. Yes, you can do that also. Hitesh is also right. You can write it as minus bx plus ay plus k is equal to 0. Both are fine. In fact, both are actually the same, Hitesh. If you look at it carefully, both are actually the same. Are you all clear with it, guys? Everybody? Yes? Brilliant job. So based on this, let us try to have a question, because I have always told you, whenever we learn something here, we always understand it with an example. I have to execute it. Getting it? Hi Jagadish, welcome man, so nice to see you here. Great. So let us move forward to the question, and as you guys can see, this was asked very recently, 10 years back on IIEEE 2009. So I want you guys to find out what is the value of P so that these two lines, read the question carefully, don't make mistakes. These two lines are perpendicular to a common line. These two lines are perpendicular to a common line. So that is what you guys have to do. Please check it and do it, guys. Okay. So I think the power is gone here. Chennai is always special in terms of power cut. Okay, everybody try to solve it. So Surendra says C. Is that correct? I don't think so, Surendra. Can you please check it? All of you guys, please try to do it and let me know. Anisha says B. Is it Matthew? Really? That is awesome, man. That is great news. We can only dream of that in Chennai over here. But let's see. Okay. So yeah, guys, let's try to solve this. I hope everybody is clear with it. The answer is B. You guys are all absolutely right. So you guys get a star. Everybody, good job. So it is option B, and very good Kiran, very good Hitesh, Sugdha Baruna, and then Jumana, Rajalakshmi, Anisha. You guys are all brilliant. Okay. So now let's try to see how we solve this question. So first of all, before we attack this question, I want you guys to understand. Exactly, Surender. Very good, Surender. You are right. So let us listen carefully. You have a common line. And to this common line, both these lines are perpendicular. So this is my L1 and this is my L2. So if both these lines are perpendicular to a common line, what can I say? I can say that these two are parallel. Are you guys clear with it? Are you guys able to understand? Exactly, Uncharted. So many of you might have thought, sir, they will be perpendicular, sir. That is only when you don't read the question carefully. That is why I told you and I warned you. Read the question clearly so that you don't make mistakes like that. Clear? So, to the common line, both are perpendicular, but these two lines are parallel. So, if these two lines are parallel, their slopes must be equal. So, what is the slope of this line? The slope of this line is minus p into p square plus 1 by minus 1. And the slope of this line m2 is equal to what? P square plus 1 the whole square by minus of p square plus 1. So what is m2? m2 is equal to minus of p square plus 1. And what is m1? m1 is equal to p into p square plus 1. So if these two are equal, what can I say? I can say that p square plus 1 into p is equal to minus of p square plus 1. So p square plus 1 will get cancelled because that can never be 0 and hence p is equal to minus 1. There is only one value and that is why option B is correct. If you guys have any doubt, let me know. Let me know, guys, all of you. I have started a war in Kerala, I think. Navami and Matthew, guys, it's okay. Everybody has power cuts. So let's focus on the session. Come on. Are you guys clear? Everybody? Did you guys understand it? Matthew, Navami, and all the others. Any questions you have for me? Yes? Very good, Jagadish. Absolutely. Why can't P be 0? I didn't say P being 0, Kirito. I said P square plus 1 can never be 0. That is why I cancelled it directly, na? Are you able to understand? Got it? So P square plus 1 is always above 0. So that is why I can directly cancel it. Otherwise, you can't directly do that. Okay? Okay, Navami. Good to know that. Yes, definitely, Jagadish. We will meet at 10:30. Okay? So shall we move forward? Are you clear with it? Yes, everybody. Matthew, what happened, man? Are you following? What about Kiran? So if you guys have got it, then let's move forward to one very interesting concept and then we will go to questions. Okay? So this is a concept which I want to teach you guys. Please listen carefully. Okay? So this is nothing but distance of a point from a line. Very good, Kiran. So distance of a point from a line means I want to understand what is the distance of this point C. I hope everybody can see that. C is nothing but x1, y1. So I want to understand what is the distance of C from the line given to us over here, from the line L. Are you all able to follow? So I want to understand what is this distance D. So can you guys tell me what is the formula? I'm sure everybody has studied it. This is a very common formula. I've given it over here. Your D is equal to modulus of AX1 plus BY1 plus C divided by root of A square plus B square. So that is the formula for the distance. And how do I apply it? This line is nothing but AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. So the distance is given by modulus of A into x1, A into the x coordinate plus B into the y coordinate plus C divided by root of A square plus B square. So that is how the formula works. I hope you guys are all clear with it. Hi Kalpesh, welcome man. No, we are just getting started. I hope you are able to follow from here. Why we take modulus? Because distance can never be negative. Yes. Prince, tell me man, what happened? The distance can never be negative. Distance is always positive. So that is why I put a modulus. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? So if you guys are clear, then let me move forward to the note which I have given you over here. Because this note is also very important. Yes, Harini, this formula is very important. You have to remember it. You have to remember it. Practice more and more questions so that just by practicing a lot of questions, you will automatically get it in your head. Got it? So best place to practice questions, Cengage. Best place to learn theory, Essaloni. Essaloni is a book written in 1800s. So you can read theory from it. It is called as the Bible of coordinate geometry. Or you can call it the Bhagavad Gita of coordinate geometry. Or you can call it the Quran of coordinate geometry. Whatever you guys want to call it. But it is a very good book. You guys can go and check it out. Okay. What about NTA questions? Yes, Matthew. I will come to that in a short while. So the next point which I want to teach you guys is, please listen carefully. Essaloni Dhanush. Dhanush is asking what? It is Essaloni for theory and Cengage for solving. This is what I usually recommend my students. See, instead of Cengage, you can use Arihant. I don't mind. It's up to you. So this is for theory and this is for solving. Okay. Are you guys clear with it? Perfect. Yes, Uncharted. Yes, Prince, only these two books are enough for coordinate geometry. Vikas Gupta, if you do these two, Vikas Gupta's pink book is not needed. Okay. But if you're not doing these two, then maybe you can take Vikas Gupta's pink book. So now, the next formula which I want to teach you is, when you have two parallel lines, let us say you have one line as ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0. And another line as ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. Do you guys agree that these two lines are parallel? Do you guys agree that these two lines are parallel? Everybody is able to follow that? Because they have the same slope. Check it out carefully. They have the same slope. Kalpesh, don't worry. Let me know on Instagram. I'll try to help you out. Okay, I will give you a schedule to follow. Please do that. Very good, Afreen Dar. That's awesome. So guys, that means parallel lines will always have a fixed distance between them, d. So I want to calculate what is this d. I want to calculate this fellow. So that d is given by a very simple formula, which is nothing but c1 minus c2 by square root of a square plus b square. So what is c1? c1 is here, c2 is here. What is a square plus b square? It is the coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. Are you guys clear with it? Yes? So the formula for distance of a point from a line is this one, and formula for two parallel lines distance is over here. Clear? So that is what I have given Samir Sa. So I will explain it. Please listen carefully, guys. The way to use the formulas, I will explain it. Please listen carefully. You don't need to know the derivation, guys. It is not important. If we get into the derivation, it will waste another 5-10 minutes. Very simple to derive. You guys can read it in Essaloni. Okay, I'm not going to get into the details of it, but I'll teach you how to apply it. For example, let us say there are two parallel lines. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 3x plus 4y equal to minus 10. I am asking you guys, find the distance between these two parallel lines. How will you do it? This distance between them, the distance between them is nothing but modulus of c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. So that will be c1 is 10 minus of c2 is minus 10 divided by root of a square plus b square. So that modulus, so it's going to be 20 by 5, which is equal to 4. So the distance between these two parallel lines is 4. Are you guys able to understand that? Yes? Exactly, Kiran, you're right. Very good. Samir, yes, it should be there in R.D. Sharma JEE mains book, but not in NCERT. NCERT, I'm not sure, but in R.D. Sharma it should be there. Got it? So this is how you apply the formula and you find out the distance between two parallel lines. And guys, don't tell that you are going to be weak forever. You still can make a big difference. You have time, and most of you guys are in 11th standard. So you have 1.5 years time left out. So take it seriously, be very enthusiastic, and tell me what you guys need. Message me in Instagram. I will send you question papers. I will send you assignments to solve. So you have to take it in a very, very exciting manner. You guys have to be very curious. If you show excitement, we will come with more fire for you. Clear? So you guys have to get in touch. You need to put some effort. That is what I always say, right? Your interest and your fire for studying will give a big kick to us. Got it? So please do that and we will help you out to our fullest potential. Got it? Yes, definitely Uncharted. I will add my Telegram ID as well. So let us move forward and try to tackle a question from the chapter straight lines based on distance of a point from a line. Very good, Dhanush. Great, Amit. Welcome, man. Yes, Tathagata, once the batch starts, we will let you know and we will do our best to help you guys out. What is the reason for not putting the JEE syllabus in NCERT? Because for Matthew, the amount of time students spend in school and the level of students is not the same for every school, right? So it will become a bit difficult. Yes, Bhargav. Bhargav, my ID would be SHIMON_JOSEPH. So this is the ID. You guys can let me know if you have any issue and I will help you out. Got it? Yes, yes, yes. So guys, please listen carefully. I'm going to solve this question for you. It will start by January or February, Tathagata. Very good, Kiran. Absolutely, man. I missed you in the chats. It's so good to have you back. That itself is a great encouragement for me. So guys, let's get started. Please listen carefully. I'm so happy that Uncharted solved it correctly. So guys, how do you calculate the length of perpendicular? That is nothing but P. So can I say P is equal to 1 by A into 0 plus 1 by B into 0 minus 1 divided by root of 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. I directly applied the formula. What is the formula? D is equal to modulus of AX1 plus BY1 plus C divided by root of A square plus B square. So what is A? A is 1 by A. What is B? B is 1 by B. What is X1? X1 is origin. Origin is 0, 0. So X1 is 0, Y1 is 0. So these two terms are under and under. Got it? So that is how we do it. I hope you guys are clear with it. So shall we move forward? So this will cancel out 0, 0. So it will be P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. So this is the right answer. Option C. Because if I bring the P square down and take this to the left hand side, I will get 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. And guys, don't take it lightly. This is a very good question. Good observation. Why, sir? Because it will be used in other chapters. Where, sir? So if you have a right angle triangle and if you have this side to be A and this side to be B, yeah, then this length, the length of perpendicular from origin to this point is nothing but 1 by P square equal to. So very easy to find The perpendicular dropped from origin to the hypotenuse. This is a very good application. Did you guys see that? Now you might be thinking, sir, where will this be even applied? Does this have an application? Can you give me an example? Guys, it does have a very, very good application. But unfortunately, my drawing is very bad. I'll try to do my best. So let's say you have a circle and you have center of a circle as O. Let's say from an external point, you're drawing two tangents. Okay. Now, you can connect these 2 points. And at the point of tangency, you can drop perpendicular. Now they're asking you, this is A, this is B. They're asking you to find what is the length AB. The question is, what is the length of AB? How do you find it? What is the length of AB? The way to do it is, you can actually do it in a very easy manner. You know radius, let's say you know this also. So can I say this is P1 and this is P2? So can I say 1 by P1 square is equal to 1 by R square plus 1 by B square? So can I get P1 from there? So can I get P1 from there? Same way P2 will be equal to P1, guys. These two will be equal. So answer is 2P1. So that is the application. So everything you learn, even though it might be a very laddu easy question, has good applications. So that is why you guys have to take notes. Okay, are you all clear? Everybody clear with this? If you guys understood it, can you all give me a thumbs up? Harini, that is where you need practice. Okay, so take whatever book you have, Sengage or R.D. Sharma or Arihant, whatever book you have, and solve. You get better with time. You never know, suddenly one day you might be a rock star. So till then, don't think about anything, just keep working hard. Okay. Ruma Datta, can you explain what doubt you have? So I was trying to use the result which I had in this question over here. Understood? So this P formula which I got can be applied to understand the length of perpendicular dropped from the right angled vertex to the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. So that's exactly what I did. Got it? So a good application, I thought I should share it with you all. So that is why we did it. If you guys are clear, then let's move forward. Very good, Ruma. That's awesome. If you are still confused, let me know. Probably you can message me in Telegram or Instagram. I will personally help you out. Okay. So guys, if you're all clear with it, if you guys enjoy the sessions at Enthuse, and if you feel you want to be a part of Vedantu, please check out the Pro subscription, because the Pro subscription will give you access to the best teachers of the country, and you have classes in Hindi as well as English, because some of you are comfortable in Hindi, some of you are comfortable only in English. So we have classes to cater both your needs. So you guys can decide which one you want. And you also have the micro course, crash course, KVPY, JEE mains crash course, all of it included if you choose this Pro subscription. And you know what? The best part is the prices are amazing. This is for the 2022 batch and you have a price of 93 rupees per day if you go for a 1 year commitment. If you go for 1 year, we will give you the Tattva material, parcel it to your house. Okay, so if you join us for 1 year, we will send you the Tattva material hard copy. You will get it to your house. I showed you the books, right? I showed you the books in the previous classes. So the same books I will courier it if you are a part of the Pro subscription. Clear? Very good, Pankaj. That's awesome. I'm sorry, Kiran. And guys, the next good news is crash course price has been slashed. It is right now available for a price of 7,000. Can you all see that on the chat? The crash course price is for 7,000 because the JEE main exam dates are not yet announced. And guys, that is a good news because It might be in February or it might be in March. So you have December full, January full, February full. So you have almost 3 months to study, and all the 3 months Vedantu will help you, Vedantu will conduct tests, Vedantu will take care of you. And guys, I can assure you of that. Many of you have this doubt. Sir, as soon as my exam is over, will Vedantu remove all the videos? No. And the proof of this is Eklavya batch. Last year, how many of you know that Eklavya batch ran for 9 months? So it started in January and we helped the students until September when they wrote JEE Mains and JEE Advance. For 9 months. And how much was the cost of Eklavya batch? 0. Eklavya batch is free. We helped almost 600-700 students for free of cost for 9 months. So if you guys are a part of Vedantu, don't ever think they'll let you down. Vedantu will never remove videos. You guys will have full access until you write your exams. Please keep that in mind. Okay. So this is a coupon code SHJ Pro, which stands for Shimon Joseph Pro, and you get a 20% off. You guys can definitely go for it. Clear? Uncharted Eklavya is only for 12th. However, we are planning to start something even for our 11th standard guys, 11th standard ninjas. So wait for it. As of now, 12th is only running. Okay. Hi Pratik, welcome man. Hi Mohammad Yazir, welcome. So nice to see you. So guys, this is the question. Let's get started with the problem solving advanced level. So this is the first question. Please try it out. A very, very interesting one. I want to see how many of you can crack it without making a mistake. I want to see how many of you can crack it. Sir, till when we can think of getting the official dates? Sugda, I think it might come out by 2 more weeks at the maximum. So you will be announced what is the date of the exam, what is the date of CBSE board exam, how will your practicals happen, everything will be informed. I made a video about it today at 3 o'clock. If you guys did not check it, please do check it, because today the education minister, the HRD minister, Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal had come and he had explained what is the plan for the future. So I have made a video on it. Some of you guys attended the session. Some of you may have not seen it. So check it out. It is useful for you. So Kirito says A. Anisha says A. What about the others? Are you all sure it is option A? Yes. You guys are super fast, man. And guess what? It's correct. You guys are absolutely right. Because it is option A, which is the right answer. Very good, Subrata Das. Very good, Kiran. I'm so happy that you guys are able to solve it so fast, because this is a proper JEE Mains question and it can be used in a JEE Advanced question. Okay. Very good, Kirito. That's awesome. So I'm going to explain it. Are you guys ready for it? Because I'm going to show you how easy and how laddu a question is given over here. Everybody ready for it? Are you guys all prepared for this? Shreya, Navami, Matthew, Uncharted. Yes? Can I see some excitement in the chat? How many of you are ready to listen to what I have to say about this question? Very good, Shreya. Brilliant. So first of all, coordinate geometry, majority of the time, go with a diagram. A diagram makes things easier for you. So we have 1, 2. So let's say this is 1, 2. And we have 5, 3. So 5, 3 will be a point over here. So I have a line coming from 1, 2. And then, okay, that is a point A. So let me take this as B. So it comes from B, meets at A, and then passes through C. Are you guys clear? Now C is 5, 3 and B is 1, 2. A I don't know. Let's call it alpha, 0. Are you guys clear with it? Everybody? Are you all fine with this? Very good, Uncharted. That's awesome. Great, Kiran. Great, Sugda and Matthew. If you guys are all clear with this, then let's see how to tackle it further. So my job here is to find alpha. Did you guys understand that? Because a ray of light is coming from B. Upon reflecting on the x-axis, it goes like this. Okay, so this is the normal. I'm sure everybody knows reflection on a plane mirror. We all have been studying it right from our 9th standard, 10th standard. Reflection on a plane mirror. We know angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, laws of reflection. So now I can say that if this is theta, this boy over here is also theta. Got it? So can I say this angle will be pi minus theta? So the slope of AC is equal to tan theta, and the slope of BA is equal to tan of pi minus theta. And what is tan of pi minus theta? Minus tan theta. So can I say slope of AC plus slope of AB is equal to 0? That's it, over. That's it. I have got the answer. Because I can find out slope of AC and I can find out slope of AB. Are you guys clear with it? Everybody? Are you guys clear with it? Did you understand what I did? Slope of AC is nothing but tan of theta. Theta is the angle which it makes with the positive x-axis. Slope of BA is nothing but tan of the angle which it makes with the positive x-axis. And when I add them both, I get 0. So what is slope of AC? Slope of AC is 3 minus 0 by 5 minus alpha, plus slope of BA is nothing but 2 minus 0 by 1 minus alpha. That is equal to 0. So can you find alpha from here? Will that be difficult? Can you guys solve it and tell me what is alpha? Please do it, guys. All of you. Yes, you can do that. Sugdha, you can try that. It will be a bit lengthy, I feel. Okay. But the point of intersection will always have alpha, na? So you will not be able to get the value of alpha. You will get left hand side equal to right hand side, Sugdha. Because when you find the equation of line itself, you will use alpha, na? So alpha will obviously satisfy. But how do you find alpha is the question, right? So you need to bring something else. That is why I brought the properties of reflection. Why pi minus theta? Because if this is theta, the angle which this line BA makes with the x-axis is pi minus theta, because angle in a straight line is 180, na? Kirito, angle in a straight line is pi radians. That is what I have done. Yash Kumar, that is not right because alpha will be 13 by 5. Guys, please solve it and tell whether you are getting it. Are you all able to get the right answer? People, let me know quickly. Yes, Shreyas, welcome man. So nice to see you here. Great. Okay, done. So guys, just solve it. I think it should not be a very big issue to solve it. So if you need help, let me do it myself. So you will get 3 by 5 minus alpha is equal to 2 by alpha minus 1. So 3 alpha minus 3 equal to 10 minus 2 alpha. So I will get 5 alpha is equal to 13. So alpha is equal to 13 by 5. So it is easy only, guys. You get it. 13 by 5 is coming. Okay, great. Yes, we can do that also uncharted. No problem. You will get the same answer. So yeah, let's move forward. Come on, guys. We have to hurry up. We have a lot of good questions to solve. So this is the diagram. You guys can try it and read through it later on. I have explained it step by step so that you guys can follow it when you read the session PDF. The session PDF will be available to you in the Telegram group once you guys are a part of it. So here we go. Next question. Please do it. Everybody solve it, guys. I hope the power stays. We are running on UPS right now. I hope the power either comes back or the UPS stays for that long. Are you guys able to hear the sound of the UPS? I don't know whether you are able to hear it, but yeah, it's running in the background. Okay. Slightly, okay. Did you hear it now? Okay. So, yes, Ruma, I will give you some time, don't worry. So, Uncharted says B, Anisha says D. We will check it, who is right and who is wrong. Uncharted is saying, sir, pakka it is B, sir. Yes, Kirito, I will give you sufficient time. These are all good level questions so that it prepares you for the JEE mains type questions. Yes, Saurav, you have to find a straight line which is perpendicular to one of them. I don't know which one. You have to decide that. And it has to pass through the point of intersection of both of them. Got it? Mir Anis says option C, sir. I am pakka confident. Okay, Mir Anis, we will check it. Awesome, man. You are from Wazim sir state. So nice to see people from Kashmir. Great, guys. Great. Awesome. Saurav Jha says, sir, pakka it is B, sir. We will check it. So, guys, are you all done? Kirito, Ruma, and all the others. If you guys have any questions, please let me know and we will discuss it right from the scratch level. Okay. So, shall we move forward, guys? Joe Flinton is from Tamil Nadu. Awesome, Joe. Nice to have you, man. So, I am from Chennai as well. A lot of people from Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Kerala, and Kashmir. I think mostly people who are not very comfortable with Hindi, I think. But a lot of people speak Hindi also. Kiran Kumar, and then we have Uncharted, we have Sugdha Baruna. A lot of people who speak Hindi as well. But lovely students, always great to interact with you. So let's solve it, guys. Ruma, I will solve it, okay? Ruma says B, sir, pakka. And Ruma, you are right. Okay, B is correct. And Mir Anis, don't worry. You are very close to the answer. So I am going to help you solve it. Listen carefully. Okay. Very good, Sugdha. That's awesome. I would love to visit Rajasthan one day. Especially Jaipur. People speak a lot about it. Pink city. Isn't it? Great, Ruma. So guys, first of all, what is the point of intersection of both of them? You have to solve it, na? So let's add them both. If I add them both, I will get 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. So if I put x equal to 1, I will get 1 minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So I will get y is equal to 2. So I get x and I get my y. Are you guys clear with it? Are you guys clear with it? So I got my x and y, which is the point of intersection. Did you all understand how I did it? It is just by solving these two equations. Just by solving these two equations. Got it? Very good, Anisha. That's awesome. Now, after we get the point of intersection 1, 2, we know that we want a line passing through this and perpendicular to one of them. So what is the slope of first line? Slope of first line is minus 1 by minus 1, which is 1. Slope of second line is equal to minus 3 by 1. So our line should be perpendicular to this. So our line can have a slope of minus 1 because negative reciprocal of 1 will be minus 1, or our line can have a slope of negative reciprocal of this, which will be 1 by 3. So our line will have a slope of this or this and it will pass through this. So the answer is The answer is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, or y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So the lines will come out to be x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 from here, and from here what will you get? You will get x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. That is a mistake, me Ranis. So you will get two lines because it can be perpendicular to one of them. But which one you don't know, na? So it can be perpendicular to both, but unfortunately only this matches. So that is why option B is correct. I hope you guys got it. Exactly, Jagadish. You can also just substitute the point in the equation and get it. You can do that. Absolutely right. Granted. You can just substitute the point on the line and you guys can do it. That is absolutely fine. You can do that. Okay. Are you guys fine with it? Shall I move forward, guys? Everybody. Are you all clear? Yes. How reciprocal became positive? Negative reciprocal. Hariharan. Negative reciprocal, man. So, if the slope is 1, then the slope perpendicular will be, product will give you minus 1, na? So that is why we got minus 1 over here. And for this, what did we have? Minus 3 into m is equal to minus 1. So m is equal to 1 by 3. So that is how I got it. Okay. Are you clear? Definitely, Matthew. I would love that. I love the full meals at Kerala. That is awesome. Definitely I'll come, man. I hope you guys remember me by then. Yes, Ruma, you have time. So if you are very serious, I would recommend being a part of the crash course because that will be more organized. So here we will do only the important stuff and we will be looking at few questions over a period of 1 hour. But if you want to be very, very organized in a very clear setup, then a crash course would be better, or at least a test series. Got it, Ruma? Because there you'll have better interaction with teachers on a regular basis. Great, Kiran. Awesome, man. Pakka. Great. That is so nice. Students from different parts of the country. That's absolutely possible only because of online education, because of YouTube and all that. Okay, so let's move forward. I hope you guys got the question. Are you all clear? I explained the example very, very detailedly so you guys can go through it. Okay, so this is the next one for you. Let's see how many of you are able to solve it. How many of you are able to solve it? Let's check it out, guys. Okay. Sure, man. 70mm Media TV. I was in Hyderabad 2 months back. Great place. Very, very interesting place to be in. Very clean city. So this is a nice question, guys. Please try to solve it. They are saying that these two lines are the same. This line and this line are exactly the same line. So exactly the same line means they are coincident lines. So if they are coincident lines, what is the condition associated? I have taught you this. So think about it and then you guys can decide. Maybe next year 70mm Media. Next year definitely. If we are still in touch, I will definitely let you guys know. We can have a small meetup. Such things are always cool. Okay, so for now, everybody try to solve it, guys. Kirito, you are absolutely correct. Good job. Definitely 70mm. Great. So Kirito says C. Are you sure, Kirito? Please check it. You have to check it. Your condition was right, but I think your answer is not right. Can you please redo it? Matthew says A. Ruma says C. Joe Flinton says C. Are you guys absolutely sure? Yes? Because guys, the answer is B. which nobody said. Sugdha Baruna is right and Shreya, you guys have nailed it. So guys, if you have two lines, let's say a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and if you have another line a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, if these two lines are the same, if these two lines are coincident, Anisha, the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Only then these two will be the same lines. Got it? Yes? Definitely, Kiran, you guys have my blessings always. We will definitely catch up sometime. I hope you guys are clear with this. Everybody got it? So now let me apply the condition. Let me apply the condition over here. Listen carefully, guys. So if I apply the condition, I'll have b cube minus c cube by b minus c is equal to c cube minus a cube by c minus a, which is equal to, you will have a cube minus b cube by a minus b. Now I can use b cube minus a cube formula. So we know that formula a cube minus b cube is equal to what? A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Do you guys remember that? Do you guys remember that? I'm going to use this formula. Hi Ali, welcome man. So nice to see you over here. So I'm going to use that formula over here. So if I use that, this will be b square plus c square plus bc, and this will be c square plus a square plus ac, and this will be a square plus b square plus ab. So now let's equate two of them. If I equate two of them, c square gets cancelled, and I will have b square minus a square plus bc minus ca equal to 0. So I can take b minus a common. So I will get b plus a plus c equal to 0. So likewise, you will always get these two to be 0. So either b is equal to a or a plus b plus c is 0. Can b equal to a? No, because all are distinct. So this is not possible. So only this is possible. Therefore, option B is correct. Was it wonderful? Was it wonderful? This is the way you guys have to solve it. Hi Ayush. Very good evening, man. Welcome. Nice to see you here. Everybody clear? So shall we move forward? Exactly. This was a nice question. If you guys have got it, then let's proceed to the next one. Okay? Everybody clear with it, guys? Very good, very good. Yes, definitely, Kiran. I would love that. So let's see if you guys can reach there. But before you guys conclude this session, please try to solve this question. I want you to try it out. This is a multiple choice correct. So you have to get two answers correct as part of the question. Let me know what do you think is the answer. Yup. Very good, very good. Mohammad Rahim Taheri, it is a live session, man. I am right now live taking it from Chennai studio. Okay, so guys, everybody try to solve it. Once you are all done, I will discuss it quickly. So Kirito says B and C. Are you sure? Very good, Ali. Hi Rebecca, welcome, no problem. Try to solve this question. I will discuss it in a few more minutes for you guys. Matthew says D. Matthew, it is a multiple correct question. There are more than one options which are right. Yes, A and C, B and C, you can prepare. Yes, Gurunathan, it is not yet confirmed, but I guess it will be in February. You have to wait for the official announcement. Okay. Anjali Gupta, what is that? You want to get the modules. So for that you need to join the pro subscription, Anjali Gupta. Only then you will get access to that. I guess you are talking about the Tattva modules, right? Okay, so let's discuss this. Let's see who all have got it correct. So first of all, guys, what is happening here? I think I have a diagram. I hope I have it. Yes, great. So finally, I remember that I have a diagram and I'm going to use it. So first of all, so these two sides are equal sides. So this side is 7x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. And this side, let's say, is x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Can you guys get the intersection point? Can you guys get me this point, please? Everybody do that. Can you guys get me their intersection point? Very good, very good. Perfect. Great, Sugdha. So guys, can you please get me the intersection point of these two? Just solve them now. You will get 8x, x is 0, so y is 3. So I think it is 0, 3. Did you all get that? Everybody? So now what I'm going to do, I know that the third side passes through 1, minus 10. Are you all clear with it? We know that the third side passes through 1, minus 10. Everybody, are you guys able to understand that? So now if I want to get the equation of third side, I need to know its slope. If I find the slope of the third side, my job is over. My job is over if I find the slope of the third side. So for that, I have a very, very nice method. Do you guys remember this angle and this angle are theta? So can I say if the slope is m, can I say the angle between m and this slope, which is 7, and this slope, which is minus 1? Don't you guys think the angle between m and this m is the same as angle between m and this m? Are you guys able to follow that? And what is angle between two lines? Angle between two lines is nothing but tan theta is equal to modulus of m minus 7 by 1 plus 7m, and it is also equal to m plus 1 by 1 minus m. Now these two are equal. Equate it, get the value of m, and that's it. Your job is done. Are you all clear? Exactly. Everybody clear with it? So if you guys are able to solve it by equating these two, you will get the value of slope. Did you understand the concept? Yes? That's it. As simple as that. So you guys can solve it from here. So you can say this is m plus 1 by 1 minus m. And then you can remove the modulus and then try to solve it. So you will get 1 plus m by 1 minus m is equal to m minus 7 by 1 plus 7m. You will get plus or minus. So take plus ones, take minus ones and solve it. You will get the two slopes. I think AC is the answer. I think AC is the answer. So please check if you are getting that. Okay? Yes guys, AC seems to satisfy. Okay? AC seems to satisfy. I hope everybody is clear. This is a good question. You can say a typical JEE Advanced or JEE Mains higher level question. Okay? So shall we proceed, everybody? Did you guys understand it? I have written it in a detailed manner. You guys can see it. You will solve these two. The slopes will come out to be 1 by 3 and minus 3. So I know the slope, I know the point. So if I know slope and I know the point, it is very easy to get the equation. It is a matter of seconds. Got it? So that is how we solve it. If you guys have any doubts, let me know. Great. Great, Kiran. That's awesome, man. I'm happy that you guys are all following it. That's brilliant. Try to solve this question. A very, very similar one. A very similar question to what we did now. So please do it. Okay, Anisha. No problem. Hariharan, yes. I will try to take up a session on modulus so that you guys can get over the fear of it. So this is a very similar question. Since I did the previous one, this should be a piece of cake. So guys, everybody should attempt and everybody should try and get it correct. Okay? Definitely, Sugdha. I'm so happy that you guys are having fun. Definitely spread the word to your friends as well, guys. That would be a great help for us. Catalysis fan club, yes, you are a bit late, no problem. Try to join in and maybe you can check out the replay of this session. Okay, because we are almost done catalysis. So guys, did you all understand how this question works? Let me give you the diagram at least. So the diagram is going to be like this. It is a right angle hypotenuse. Right angled isosceles triangle. So it will be 45 degree. This will also be 45 degree. And this one is what? 3x plus 4y equal to 4. Is that correct? So we don't know what is the slope of this one and what is the slope of this one. And we know vertex is 2, 2. Are you guys clear? So if I get M1 and if I get M2, I can find the equation of this side and this side. So my job is to find out what is M1 and M2. Can you guys do that? My job is to find out what is M1 and M2. Can you guys do that? Everybody, please try it out. Okay. Exactly. Gurunathan, we don't know when your JEE mains exam will be. So your focus should be on studying it no matter what, no matter when the exam is. You should be very much focused on preparing for it. Okay. So guys, if you enjoyed the methods here, hit the like button right now. And do subscribe to our channel in case you haven't. And please let your friends know, your friends of friends know. And do share it in your media, whatever handles you have. Okay, that would mean a lot to us. And I always say this because this is a new channel and we have lots of wonderful plans for you. KVPY, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced. So it would be a great encouragement if you guys can bring your friends as well. Got it? So is it B? We will check it. Pair of straight lines is important for advanced, not very important for mains. So I would say you can probably not pay too much attention for mains, but for advanced it is important. Got it? So guys, first of all, can I say the slope of this is minus 3 by 4? Everybody got that? So this with this will have an angle of 45 in between. So let us take the slope of this to be m. So can I say tan 45 is equal to modulus of m minus of minus 3 by 4 by 1 minus 3 by 4 m. Are you guys clear with it? So now this tan 45 is 1. But when I open modulus, I will get two values of m. Sir, why am I getting two values of m? Because one value is for this, one value is for this. Because both have 45 degree, na? So that will give you the answer. That will give you the answer. Because you know 1 point and you know the slope. So can I use 1 point slope form to find out the equations of the line? This one and this one. Over. That's it. So calculus you will have around, let us say 5 to 6 questions, Ali. You will have almost 5 to 6 questions coming from calculus alone out of 25 in JEE Mains. So guys, the way you solve it is over here. I hope you guys got it. So you will get the value of m to be minus 7 and 1 by 7. So Anisha, the answer is option A, which is 7x plus y equal to 16 and x minus 7y plus 12 equal to 0. So guys, if you are clear, then we will conclude our session with this one. I have 2 homework questions for you. Please try it out, and if you guys can solve it, let me know in the comment section below. Very good, Ruma, that's awesome. Let me know in the comment section below. This is the second one. You guys can try it out and let me know. If you are interested to join Vedantu, to be a part of this awesome online revolution, then check out the link which I have shared in the chat. This is the coupon code which gives you 20% off, and that is amazing, guys. 20% off if you are grabbing this right now. Okay. So this is a Telegram group. Telegram group is like WhatsApp, and we will give you the updates, the assignments, the announcements in this Telegram channel. So join it if you guys have not. Okay. The last but not the least slide is, do give us a like and definitely subscribe to our channel as well. The second last question, if you want the screenshot, here it is. This is the second last question. Please take a screenshot and try it out, guys. I hope I'm not blocking the question. When will JEE finally occur? JEE will be finally scheduled by February, I guess. So you should be getting the announcement soon. So guys, that's about it. I hope you all had a great time. Do give us a like, subscribe our channel, and we will come back stronger. Tonight we have a great session. Please come back tonight, guys. Okay. Take care, guys. All of you. Bye-bye. See you in the next one. All the best.